And I am going to attempt to fix my Whirlpool dishwasher. Now it's only a year old and it had quit draining on the inside. So what I did was I took my little grain machine, handiest thing ever, every woman should have one, and sucked out all the water that was sitting in the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is come in and take this, turn it a little bit clockwise, or sorry, counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, and pull that filter out. This is clean. This is not the problem, and it's supposed to catch everything, but it hasn't been. The next thing I'm going to do is pull this out. Pops right out. There's a little bit of stuff, but it's not enough to get in the way. I will be rinsing that. So down in here is where I thought my problem was. I sucked all the water out. This is supposed to be a sensor. There's a plug here, and then opposite side down here is another space where the water flows through. So when I shut the door and I hit my clean drain button right here, I should be hearing the water running through the sink, which it's not doing. So right now I have the breaker turned off downstairs, and I'm going to start the next part of this little journey. I don't have a garbage disposal, so I know that's not part of the problem. You can hear the motor running, but now I'm not sure how much water is in there or not. So what I'm going to do is run a rinse cycle and see what's going on in there. All right, so what I'm going to do now, since I'm going to try to run it and it's still grungy on the bottom and under there, gross, I'm going to try to clean it at the same time, which is something I hadn't done in this last year. So this is a cup of vinegar, which when it's done running will be full of dirty water, I guess, hopefully clean. And I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda in here, and then I'm going to run a cycle through and tell you how it goes. So I continued watching videos, and every time I watched it, it talked about the hose under the sink connected to a garbage disposal, and I don't have one, so I didn't think it was a problem. Also, because the hose came in from the top, I thought that would make a difference. I plunged both my sink drains, plugged the other one up while I plunged the other one. Then I thought, well, I'm going to take this hose off anyways. And voila, when I turn my drain switch on, water's coming out. Yay. So what I'm going to do now is stick something in this piece here of all places and unplug that, and we'll give it one more try. I'm so excited. That, my friends, is the sound of victory. That means that the water is now draining from the dishwasher through to the sink drain. So the next time that this ever happens, what I'm going to do again is take that filter out of the bottom and clean that out, and then I'm going to go in under the sink and take that apart and clean that, and I am not going to mess with the bottom of my dishwasher. So good luck, hang in there. I'm going to confess, I plunged the hell out of the drain hole in the dishwasher. Didn't do anything, so I don't recommend that. But keep at it and you can get it. Good luck, ladies. Take care.